In this demonstration, we will look at how to import the SNAP Numeracy Assessment into Claro PDF or Claro PDF Pro on the iPad. First, I'm going to navigate to Learn 71 to locate the SNAP assessment. It is under Assessment and Reporting, District Assessments. I'm going to open the Numeracy tab and swipe down to find the SNAP assessment templates. I will select the PDF file I want to open. It will open up, and in the top right-hand corner, the Send Share arrow icon will open up my options to bring the file into. I will locate the app I'm looking for. In this case, it's Claro PDF or Claro PDF Pro. If you have a lot of apps on your iPad, you may have to navigate to the 3 dots more menu and find your app. You can see I have two choices here. I have Claro PDF, which is the white one, that's free, and Claro PDF Pro is the red one, which costs money. In this case, I'll open Claro PDF. My SNAP assessment will open up in Claro PDF. Now I can interact it with the document in two different modes. This first one is the reading mode. I can tap any text, select the play arrow at the bottom of the screen to have the text read aloud.
Show or draw to represent the value of the number.
I can tap my stop or pause to stop reading, and I can tap the text and hit my play arrow to have any text read aloud. I can change the speed or the voice by going to the top settings icon and changing those under there. The second mode is the annotation mode. To get to the annotation mode, I go to the Notes and Pen tool in the top left. Here I have all my annotation tools. I will show you how to use the text annotation, the drawing annotation, the image, and the sound or audio comment recording to interact with the SNAP. In order to make the SNAP a little bit bigger if you have a student with visual impairment or a student who needs to focus on one section at a time, just take your fingers and swipe out to increase the size of the document, and take your fingers and swipe in to make it smaller again. First, I'm going to show you how to use the pen annotation tool, which is the pen icon. I'll select it and draw my number in the center box, or write my number in the center box. I could use a stylus if I wanted to. In order to turn the drawing tool off, I just tap it to turn it off. But I'll turn it on again because I want to draw or show or represent my number. So I'm going to draw. And I could get fancy and draw things. And if I want to close the pen tool, I just tap it. And if I want to erase, I'll hit my eraser tool. Next, I'll show you how to bring in a picture or take a picture of, let's say, manipulatives that the student has set out to show or represent the number value. I go under the image icon. I can either take a picture right away by using my camera or navigate to my photo library if I have the picture already saved. So here I have my 46 represented. I hit done. I can select low quality, and I can go to my blue dots and drag it and make it as big or as small as I want. Next, I'll show you how to draw or write to show or describe your picture. I'll use the text tool this time. Tap where I want my cursor to show up. I can change the size of my font and color of my font with the bar above the keyboard there. I can choose to use speech to text or voice to text by hitting the microphone icon at the bottom left-hand side of the keyboard to talk it in, or I could type in my answer.
Rocks.
Now I'm going to show you how to bring in an audio comment if I wanted to talk my answer out. I tap and hold the image icon of the mountains and the sun, and then I select sound. I tap where I want my audio comment to show up, and I hit the record to record, the red circle, or the blue square to stop. So I will record. Our soccer team bought a box of 50 freezies. 4 people ate freezies, so there was 46 left. Now I can hit the play hour to hear my audio recording played back.
Our soccer team bought a box of 50 freezies.
And I can move my audio dot anywhere I want on the screen. I can interact with the document using any of these tools to show what I know. I'm going to select the X arrow in the top right to go back to the reading mode. And now if I want to send or share or upload this document or even print it, I can go to the top right send share arrow, make sure I have flatten annotations selected, and select share. Here I can email it to my teacher, I can print it, or I can upload it to an e-portfolio. If you want some more support with Claro PDF Pro, please check out our other learning resources on Learn 71.